What's up guys, Eric here. So today we're gonna go to a photo shoot and I'm actually late, so we gotta get going.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason.
Top of the car, it has where it's charging, and it actually tells you where like at what point it's charging.
Cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
I like the background, but the sun is right here, and I use like the sun. I use not the natural lighting and stuff.
Okay.
And the sun's like right here, and that's why I was over there.
Got him.
What I want to try doing also is I want to try doing some rolling shots also.
Okay.
I just don't know exactly where, because I like having the open roads, but I don't know where it's from.
No, man, it's a YouTube video most of it.
And that copy the raise.
I have to get as much footage as I can, like different events, because then I run out of material. And sometimes the page will go stale for like
Well, you can use
2
us.
months.
You can use us.
No, you're gonna have to be in it.
We have a sign for you.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Me llamo Eric.
Eric, mucho gusto. Nice to meet you, buddy.
¿Cómo se llama?
Danny.
Danny.
Never do.
Dude, this thing's freaking wild.
We lose.
You know, we got another car for your footage.
Yeah, no, it just worked out. And then if the Lambo shows up, forget it. inside. Well, that turned out to be quite the event. First, I thought it was just going to be the shooting this car and the Karma, but then Kris saw a McLaren 570S pass by, and it just happened to work out that whenever we were done shooting here, we went to the gas station and there he was, and he was down to shoot. And so we're like, all right, as you saw, I got to ride with it. That thing pulls like a freight train, but this thing's slow compared. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you're new, welcome. And if not, well, thanks for sticking around. Peace.